example, using deep reinforcement learning to optimize your trading strategy or optimize your portfolio capital allocation. The procedure typically is you first pre-train your model with a large amount of data. That is the beauty about GenAI, is that you can do this pre-training on data that may not be immediately relevant to you. You may be a Forex trader. Well, you should pre-train your model on equity data and futures data as well. You might be a bond trader, no matter, pre-train your data on stock and futures, because that built up a model where it is kind of aware of how financial markets move. They can have outliers, they can have this and they can have that. And, so that's eliminate the problem of data scarcity. I mean, in finance, in application of AI to finance, that's a major problem, is that there's not enough data, particularly at a daily frequency. By applying pre-training, you overcome that problem because you can train on everything under the sun. I have read a paper that even train a time series prediction model on non-financial data, on like electricity demand data. But this paper that I cited below, StockGPT, that is trained only on financial data, and it showed that it worked, the pre-trained model worked. Now, it shows you the potential of a pre-trained model, because then you can fine-tune it with time series that is specific to the asset of interest. You train on stock data, you can fine-tune it with Forex data and see how well it worked on Forex trading. And that is the beauty of GenAI as well. It's overcome the scarcity problem.